Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Leandra. I am the founder of LOSCO. I am an entrepreneur, a creative, a beauty enthusiast, and a woman building legacy in real time. As a revolutionary tech-driven business owner, I believe that it is extremely important to not only sow your seeds in one specific lane, but create many. So on this channel, you're going to see the real journey, the wins, the pivots, and the growth. Everything I do from beauty to business to technology connects back to one simple thing: helping people turn their skills into scalable income. It's all about creative expansion. Beauty is where it all started. On this channel, I'll be showing you hair tutorials, wig installs, beauty tips, beauty business tips, salon behind the scenes, and the strategies that I utilize in order for me to expand into a global beautypreneur. It's not just about you looking good, it's about you profiting off your gift. But wait, this isn't just about beauty. It's about lifestyle, leveling up, becoming her, and being true to you. Not what social media says, not what people may expect, but not what feels safe. We're definitely not doing comfort zone here. You'll see vlogs, routines, some of my travel content, and what it looks like building something from scratch, from the very beginning, and when you're building it for yourself, most importantly. I am also so deeply passionate about business and technology. As a certified project manager, and I dabbled and dabbled into cybersecurity, I'm going to be showing you guys what it looks like from scaling service businesses to automation to software as a service and AI tools. Honestly, the possibilities are truly endless. I'll be sharing how you can build systems that work for you so that you're not always working for them. You'll see content about building digital systems, how to use technology to free up your time, monetizing knowledge, and most importantly, revenue infrastructure. Because being busy is not the goal, being positioned is. We're not just working hard, we are building assets. This channel is for the ambitious individual who is choosing freedom, location freedom, time freedom, creative freedom, financial freedom. If you want to build multiple streams of income, then just build it. If you want global freedom, chase it. If you want to be poised and powerful, embody both. You don't need permission to expand. Do not shrink, create. Be true to yourself. Not what social media says, not what people expect, not what seems safe. We don't do comfort zones here. If you're building something, evolving, or just trying to still figure it out, you're in the right place. This is LOSCO. This is growth in literally real time. So subscribe, join us on this journey, and let's build something powerful together. Bye for now.